For all verified facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Does the coronavirus target men? Are men more at risk from the coronavirus? Let's look at the data released by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Out of the total deaths in India, 69% were men and only 31% were women. Boom decided to speak to Dr. Satyajit Rath to understand if this mystery can be explained. Are men more likely to die of COVID-19?
There is no evidence that I have seen at the moment that the rates of infection are dramatically different between men and women. Even though men and women are equally susceptible to getting infected with the virus, severity of disease seems to be coming up more in men. And that evidence is based on the proportions of men being a little more in hospitalization, the proportions of men being a little more in patients and ventilators, and the proportions of men being a little more in the COVID-19 deaths. This seems to be a general pattern across the world, although as usual with population numbers, there's always some amount of variation.
Now we know that more men are suffering from serious COVID-19 illnesses. But what makes them so vulnerable?
Women culturally across the world in patriarchal cultures tend to make very little of their own illness. So reporting of illness and reporting of illness severity may actually be less in women than in men. A lot of serious illness in COVID-19 seems to be associated with so-called comorbidities. It is possible that some part of the men and women difference is explained by somewhat higher frequencies of comorbidities amongst men. There also seem to be some interesting biological differences. The biological differences seem to be at two different levels. One is, keep in mind that the virus of COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2, uses on our body cells a particular protein called angiotensin converting enzyme 2 or ACE2 through which to get into cells. So the general argument is that the more ACE2 our cells have, the easier the virus is going to find to get into our cells. There is a notion floating around that the amounts of ACE2 expressed in men and women differ, and that may be a contributor to different severities of SARS-CoV-2 infection and COVID-19 illness. Men, particularly elderly men, seem to make a somewhat greater inflammatory response and a somewhat lesser T lymphocyte adaptive immune response. The general argument is that the inflammatory response, which is helpful, but when it's large beyond a point, actually causes functional problems in the body. And the T cell response, which is less in elderly men and is somewhat better in elderly women, seems to provide a certain amount of protection. The association between ACE2 expression and men and women difference to COVID-19 severe illness is at the moment speculative as far as I know of the evidence.
Both men and women seem to be equally susceptible to COVID-19, but the worldwide trends seem to suggest that more men are dying from COVID-19. But before jumping to any conclusions, we should wait for more data and evidence. Let us know in the comments below how you like the report.